Hello everyone, we are here with David as per usual, and we are going to be cutting my bumper in half, quite literally. So, Dave, what are we doing today?
We are going to start by drilling out the holes, really. Yep. Getting all the tools ready first.
Taking this ugly little thing off here and drilling some cooling holes. Hopefully never putting that plate back on again and relocating it somewhere else. If worst comes to worst, I'll get a plate that sticks on the side, or I'll be able to adhesive the plate on, not a massive issue. But yeah, we're going to be drilling some cooling holes today for the intercooler. Trusty Mr. Tools that work right here that I've been using for about 5 years on my PC and my cars. Plate is off now. We're just waiting for all this good stuff to charge up for the hole saw, plastic hole saw, and a drill bit through the middle. We're going to leave the bumper on for this because Dave's got a very steady hand. We're not going to go through the intercooler, there's plenty of clearance there. Also a marker pen and a measuring tape to measure everything perfectly, and we're going to be doing so we're going to be separating these two sides, so that's the middle of this, so sort of there and all the way across. So
I reckon
crisscross, yeah,
through there,
there, yeah,
there, and there. So it'd be like a W if anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright mate, that'll probably be better, to be fair. Just so we don't risk it. Alright mate.
Because you could come too close and start.
It'll look weird, yeah.
Yeah, do you know what I mean, mate? It'll be a hole right at the bottom and it would be too close to that, I think, personally, anyway, mate.
So yeah, the W effect will be better, I think. Alright, cool, we'll do that. Sounds good.
Finger behind it, so if it's going to kill my finger and not your intercooler.
Dave just quickly popped home to get a better drill, and that thing is yeah, ridiculously fast. Just remember looking nice and slow, mate. Jesus Christ, that thing is strong. Dave just drilled the initial hole. Took a bit of time, but got there. So yeah, we're going to do it in a cross pattern instead, so like a W pattern, because I don't think we're going to be able to fit 2 holes on there. So far so good. Dave's just currently aligning the other side. The holes aren't 100% perfect, but what we're going to do after, I'll explain to you guys, and we'll make them look really nice and tidy. All finished now. They are perfectly in symmetry, however, they're a little bit on the sides, a little bit of paint chipped, etc. What we're going to do is put some bezels around them, glue them on or stick them in some really strong glue. Pretty cool stuff all in all.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. We're with Dave again, and that's how the holes are looking. Fantastic. So, next part, we're going to attempt to do a grill delete. So, all of this stuff which is limiting the flow to the intercooler, we're going to try and remove. So I've watched a couple of videos online. We got Tommy's video, we got my friend Robbie's video as well. Oh yeah, guys, if you don't know Robbie, please go and subscribe to his channel. He's an awesome guy. I'll leave a link to his channel down below, and I'll put his channel on screen now. So yeah, we're going to attempt to do a grill delete today. In order to get the grill off, I believe we just need to pull it, but I'm going to re-watch a video just to make sure so I don't break anything. I'll be back with you guys in a sec. It's pretty inevitable not to snap the clips while you're getting it off. It probably would have been a better idea to take the bumper off first, but it's still going to go back on. It's not a problem. It's never going to be a problem in the future. What you got to do is really just pull the bitch. The clips are a massive bitch to sort of get out, but you will get there eventually. You just got to pull it from each corner. I'm not going to tell you exactly how to do it because I broke them, so there might be a better way of doing it, but for every video we've watched, there's been the same. So yeah, just literally pull it off and it'll come straight off. The idea behind all of this, by the way, as you can see clearer now, to delete that black bit there, it's restricting the flow to the intercooler. So we're going to be deleting that black bit with a sander. She should come out rather nicely with just a nice little sanding.
2 hours later.
So we've run out of we've run out of sandpaper, so what Dave's going to do is bring it back to his and do it there. As you guys can see, it's starting to really come through now. The holes are coming through really neatly. They're literally the same as the other holes, which is what I wanted. Goodbye, baby. See you tomorrow. Oh shit! Bye! Bye! Oh no! Don't leave me!
2,000 years later.
There's only a couple of little bits left, but we ran out of sandpaper again, and I bought loads, so I don't know how we ran out, but that's how she's looking. So nice and open, and we left a couple of the holes at the bottom right and bottom left because they don't need to be there. So What do you guys think? I think that's looking pretty sweet. Stay tuned, because on the same video we're going to be sticking some grommets in those to tidy it up. Alright guys, so it's the final day of the whole front end sort of flow improvement schedule project thing. Basically what we're doing is we've got these now. These are stupidly enough from my point 38mm grommets. Should have got 35. We're going to try and reshape them and resize them to fit, just so they smoothen it up and make it look a little bit nicer. Just cover all of the rubbish as well, if you guys can see that. And these sort of have a slit as well, so we're going to see what we can do there. But yeah, this is the last part, just to tidy everything up. Dave's just working his DIY magic right now. I'm not going to question exactly what he's doing, but he just showed it fits a lot more flush with the method that he's using. We're probably going to use some like super glue or something to hold them in. Once they're on, they're on. By the way, if you guys are wondering, I am going to be buying a second-hand bumper as well. So if I ever need to take all of this off for MOT or whatever, I'll be able to do that. The plan is to, of course, put a number plate on the side. I've already bought it, so it's on its way, just to cover my ass if I ever get pulled over for it. Then I could just sort of say, you know, there's a reflective number plate right there, and hopefully they'll be alright with it. So I'm going to actually make use of myself now. So we got some Loctite glue, and we've already glued the first one, and like I say, Dave's just cutting them. I'm going to start gluing them together and then slotting them in, and it's going to look really clean by the time we're all done. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So far so good. That's pretty much half of them done. Picking up the pace now. What do you guys think? I think that looks much better than that, personally. Looks really smooth and, you know, really clean, and it's still got holes there, so yeah, it looks a lot nicer than the sort of, you know, the rough sort of finish. It's just a nice smooth finish there, so yeah, I'm very happy with that so far. Alright guys, so it's all done. Grill delete, front holes, front hole fillers. Special thanks, and all thanks to Dave.
Yeah. No worries, buddy.
Thank you so much, man. You're an absolute legend. Dave took his, you know, sort of time out of his schedule to really help me out and get this all done, and you know, brought along all the tools, and it looks absolutely perfect. It's just as I pictured it. It looks better than what I pictured it. Originally we were going to go for one. That would have been way too much, and also the 4 big ones, but no, I think that looks a lot better. It looks really cool. It looks a lot different. I don't think anyone's really done it like that before either, so it's sort of a first, and it's all been sort of DIY. I'm gluing these corners here and then pushing them in and making sure they stay on. And like I say, guys, you're probably wondering, this bumper's completely done for. Well, like I said, I'm going to get a second-hand one as well, just in case, so it will not be a problem. Alright guys, so it's currently Friday night, so it is the end of the flow improvement project thing. I've got, like, I don't know, some sort of like hay fever or something. I've never had hay fever before, but my eyes are stinging, and I don't know, I'm just feeling really sort of off. But yeah, it was really good fun, and it turned out exactly the way I wanted it to. So thank you, Dave, once again. You've helped so much, and guys, Dave's an awesome guy. All right, he's helped so much with this project, with a lot of the stuff that we've done recently. So yeah, I've got nothing but respect for him. So cheers for that, man, once again. So yeah, where does that leave us at the end of the video? So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it helped, and if it did, leave a comment down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Leave a dislike if you disliked the video. And until next time, guys, you stay frosty. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.